Going to be taking a look at NWAV, currently traded at 0082. We looked at this stock on the 7th of April, right around here. I said we'll need to hold 001, or I'm sorry, 01 to remain bullish. Otherwise, 0008 supported 01 and or I'm sorry, 008. I apologize about that. I said bullish, or otherwise it will hit 008, support at 01, 008, resistance at 0110, and 0124 needs to break 10-day simple moving average 0109 to really move. That was going to be my opinion then. Essentially, it's going to be the same exact opinion now. It's just that the numbers have changed. You guys came down to the support level now. There's going to be another one under this at 006, but I think that we could say that this one has really formed a base. We're going to go with 0075 now, right there. It seems to form a decent base over there. At that 0075 as a low, 5 days in a row. Not 5 days in a row, but 5 days here. And then you guys came and even tapped it yesterday as well on the 20th. Right now, that is what's going to need to turn around. 0075 is going to need to hold. It's going to need to get that buying pressure to pick up here and break it through the 01 area. Okay, that 01 area, again, it's like I said a few seconds ago, everything is essentially flipped here. Everything's basically the same that it was here before, but the numbers have kind of changed here. It has definitely stabilized. Like I said, we were watching this one on its way all the way up here. Came down, hit that 7570 area, rallied up, and then right here you even tapped it there, back up, and then basically right now forming that base. That's what we're gonna be watching for now.
All right, so data press release on April 11th. It was Powell Group Incorporated anti-opiate crusade charges on with opening of flagship location in state of Ohio. So NWAV Holdings Incorporated, it's OTC NWAV with Powell Group Incorporated, a physicians practice management firm, announces the opening of Alternative Medicine Centers of America, Sandusky. Its first corporate clinic in Sandusky, Ohio. In line with the company's national initiative, Ohio's flagship clinic focuses on opiate alternatives, including the proper use of cannabis for terminal patients as well as patients who suffer from chronic pain. As more and more physicians and patients look for opiate alternatives and treatments, the demand for alternative therapies continue to grow. Findings of many recent medical studies show the dangerous side effects of opiate medications, further increasing the demand for the growing market of alternative pain therapies. NWAV's Powell Group is expertly positioned to meet the demands of this emerging market, said Robert Weber, CEO. He continues, "We are extremely pleased to announce that we have opened the clinic in Sandusky, Ohio, and the appointment calendar is already filling up nicely. We will soon be opening our Cleveland, Ohio location and expect significant demand there." So it goes on to just say about more of like the numbers in regards to overdoses and everything else. All right, so right here, the corporate team in Florida is arranging build out of the company's first corporate location in St. Augustine, Florida, aiming for an opening in June 2017. The second quarter will focus on opening of new corporate and affiliate locations and overall growth of the company. So the current locations are open and taking appointments. They have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 locations right now. So I mean, I remember because we went over this a few times. So if you go back through the press releases, you'll see, all these different locations they've been opening up recently. Because I pulled up their quarterly or the yearly and the annual report, and for 2016 and 15, they're showing zero revenue. But I mean, at the same time, they were just building out. So I'm sure that will start to change. But obviously, you got to do your due diligence. So with that being said, go over to the NWAV board, and right there you'll see all the recent press releases on the company and how much they've accomplished in the last 6 months or so. I mean, since we've kind of started going over it, and you'll also see the filings. And then if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on the NWAV Holdings board.
That's right. All the information that Jill's talking about, you're looking here at on my screen right now. We're getting into the chart. 01 will need to hold 01 to remain bullish. That's what we said then. But right now, again, what we're going to be doing here is watching to break that 01. You guys break that 01, things are going to look much better. But I was just looking through here. 118 at 0013 was put on technical analysis alert by Jobham. So great job again. I mean, we were just talking about a few other stocks that he's brought up here. And again, really, really nice call. So that 0.0082, watch for a break of 01.
Oh yeah, so Dave,
go ahead,
to
Joe.
cut you off too. Brown missed a yes. So what do they do? What they give method? No. What their business description says is NWAV Holdings Incorporated is a publicly traded holdings company dedicated to development and launch of Powell Group alternative medicine clinics focused on non-traditional patient care solutions. The realm of the treatment solutions include cannabis, acupuncture, chiropractic, biofeedback, and other solutions dependent upon patient needs. So yeah, they're not. I don't think they're pushing out methadone.
All right, NWAV. If you follow this one, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't, we would appreciate it. And join us on our next live show, investorshangout.com/live.